everybody, Captain Booty here. I just wanted to share this Star Wars bar that I was working on. It took me about 8 months because I'm such a procrastinator. But it sort of turned out okay. Had some issues along the way, which I'll explain. I wanted to do a resin top with some Star Wars pictures, so I ordered a calendar off of eBay, cut out some pages, attached them to some colored plexiglass, which I attached to the top. Applied my first layer of resin, which I think I mixed a little bit too fast and had a lot of microscopic bubbles. The second layer did not stir it long enough, so it would not cure. I had to remove all of it. And I messed up my LED lighting. I had to repair it in some spots, and it was just a total disaster. If you ever do a resin top, please make sure you read the instructions and stir it long enough, or else you're going to have a problem like I did, and it was very aggravating. But in the long run, I think it turned out okay. I can notice all the imperfections. Hopefully no one else will. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments. Have a great day. Love you.